friends, it's Lisa Jones with 31 Gifts, and I wanted to show a new product I'm really excited that 31 finally has. We now have packing cubes, and I'm so excited about these because I am such a big fan of using packing cubes when I travel. I tend to overpack, and my suitcase is always really heavy, and this really helps me put my outfits together, number one, and I can kind of pack a cube that's maybe your tops, a cube for your bottoms, and a cube for your undergarments or swimsuits, depending on where you're traveling to. But I really am a fan of the cube and rolling your clothes. So this is the medium pack and zip cube. It does come in several different fabric options. Has a carry handle, and I want to show you how I pack. In this one cube, I have this packed for a weekend getaway. So in here, I have a pair of jeans, I have 3 t-shirts, I have a pair of pajamas, a couple pairs of undies, a couple pairs of socks, and a pair of shoes, all in this one cube. So imagine, having, like, if you and your spouse are traveling and you each have a cube, you can put this in 2 of these stacked on top of each other in a carry-on bag and still have tons of extra room, and you don't have to worry about, checking a bag at the airplane. And this is going to really save time. The other great thing when you're traveling with packing cubes is when you get where you're going. Like, we just recently went to Hawaii and we were gone for 2 weeks. So the packing cubes were great because we moved from hotel to hotel to hotel, 4 hotels in 12 days. So instead of unpacking, I was just able to keep my clothes in cubes. So I would just take the cube right out of the suitcase, put it in the drawer, and I knew what was in each cube. So I want to show you how I have this one packed. So like I said, in here is a pair of jeans, 3 different shirts, and jammies, socks, shoes, and undies. So you can kind of see this is how I have it packed. So I have my flip-flops here, I have socks and underwear rolled up in the corner, and then I've got a couple pairs of change of shirts here, a pair of pajamas, and then my jeans and another shirt. So I am a big fan of rolling my clothes. So you can see if I unroll this, this is a full pair of jeans, not capris, so I want to make sure you know that that's a full pair of jeans, so it's even extra fabric. And then I just take my shirt, roll this up, and then I can put it in my packing cube seam side down, and it doesn't really go anywhere. So same thing, you've got your pajamas rolled up here, a couple extra shirts, I've got the socks, the undies, the shoes, and you just zip all of this up, and you've got all of your clothes for a weekend. And like I said, you can pack when you are packing, these are great with kids too, because you can pack everybody in the family can have a cube, and then you can pack everything inside these. So this is a great way to save time when you're traveling because you can pack so much more efficiently when you're using these cubes, and it's easy to go from suitcase or carry-on bag right into the drawer of your hotel or wherever you're staying. So this is the medium size. We do have 2 other sizes that's available to our hostess. These are $20 this fall season, and we have a trio. So we have one that's bigger than this one, and one that's smaller, and it's a set of 3, and when you host a party you can get all 3 of them for only $25. So this is a great piece to have this fall season.